What if you could change reality with just a few typed words? What if you could command your photos to do the impossible? This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This isn't $1 million Hollywood effect. This is a revolutionary new technology, available right now for free. But quietly, a new front has opened in the AI revolution. A front that targets something deeply personal, our images, our art, and our memories. It's not owned by $1 billion corporation. It's open source, built by a community, and given to the world for free. And what it can do is simply breathtaking. Tonight we go inside the tool that's putting the power of a movie studio right onto your home computer. Good evening. For years, the world of artificial intelligence has been dominated by chatbots and virtual assistants. For decades, altering a photograph required expensive software and hours of tedious work. Then came generative AI from giants like OpenAI and Google, powerful tools that came with a price tag and corporate control. But what if that power was completely democratized? It's called OmniGen 2, and it represents a paradigm shift. The magic of OmniGen 2 lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You just need an idea. Watch this. We start with this timeless family portrait, a memory from a bygone era, frozen in black and white, the command. A simple phrase, colorize this. It's not just a filter. The AI understands the context of the scene to create a plausible living memory. With another simple command, this family is reimagined as characters straight out of a Pixar film. The level of artistic interpretation is astounding, and just like that, the past is brought to life. The colors are vibrant, the tones are realistic. We gave it a photo of a man and a woman and told them to kiss. The result is a completely new, intimate moment synthesized from pixels. This woman was in a bustling city. In seconds, we can place her on a serene beach at sunset. Notice how the AI adjusts the lighting on her face and clothes to match the new environment. This used to take professionals hours in Photoshop, but why stop there? Let's take this resurrected memory and transport it into the world of animation. OmniGen 2 isn't just about styles, it's about interaction. We took a photo of a bedroom and a picture of a stuffed animal. The command, put the plushie on the bed. The AI seamlessly integrates the toy, even matching the lighting and shadows of the room. It can blend two separate realities. And what about changing the entire world around your subject? What we're seeing with tools like OmniGen 2 is the true democratization of creative power. The barrier to entry is being obliterated. You no longer need a $3,000 computer and a $50 a month subscription to create world-class images. You just need an imagination. A student can illustrate their school project with stunning custom visuals. An aspiring filmmaker can storyboard their entire movie. It's a story as American as it gets. Innovation driven not by corporate boardrooms, but by the collaborative spirit of the open source community, empowering the individual. This is a game changer for independent artists, small businesses, and frankly, anyone who wants to create. The implications are vast. A small business owner can create professional marketing materials without hiring a designer. But here's the catch. While the software is free, getting it up and running isn't quite a one-click affair. This is what does the heavy lifting, processing the billions of calculations needed to generate these images. While the developers have made it impressively efficient for the best speeds, a gaming-level PC is recommended. Accessing this incredible power today requires a dive under the hood, but they come with usage limits. The ultimate promise of OmniGen 2 is freedom and control, and for now that freedom requires a bit of homework. It's the classic trade-off, convenience versus control. To run OmniGen 2 on your own machine, giving you unlimited and offline use, you need some technical comfort. It involves installing a coding framework called Python, using a command line interface, and setting up what's known as a virtual environment to keep things tidy, and you'll need a reasonably powerful computer, specifically one with a modern graphics card or GPU. For those not ready to become a part-time IT specialist, the creators do offer free online demos. OmniGen 2 doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's a key player in a new global race. On one side, you have the tech titans Google, OpenAI, Adobe offering polished, user-friendly, but closed and often costly platforms. They control the ecosystem. On the other side, you have the open source movement, championed by tools like OmniGen 2. They offer unparalleled freedom. No censorship, no per-image fees, no sending your private photos to a corporate server. It's a battle for the future of digital creation, and the technology isn't standing still. Competitors are already teasing the next generation of editors that promise even more control and realism. The pace of innovation is relentless. It's a testament to what's possible when a global community collaborates. What new forms of art will be born? And what amazing worlds, once confined to our imagination, will we finally bring to life? It raises fascinating and perhaps unsettling questions for our future. What OmniGen 2 proves is that groundbreaking power is no longer exclusively in the hands of the few. As these tools become as easy to use as a smartphone app, how will we distinguish fact from fiction?